Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to pause search history on YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to pause search history on the YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone, and after opening your YT Music app, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when you land over here, tap on the settings option over here just above the help and feedback, and again tap on the privacy and data option over here just above the recommendations, and you can see the pro search history option available for us over here just above the manage account privacy. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the pause search history, and when this box appears, tap on the pause button again. And with that being done, guys, all of the things you search on your YouTube Music app will not be on the history of your YouTube Music app, will be paused until you turn it off. And guys, this is how to pause search history on YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.